Today we have something truly exciting to talk about. An AI writing assistant that's set to revolutionize your writing process. Come with me and dive deep into MoonBeam, the ultimate tool for creating essays, stories, articles, blogs, and more. Let's get started. MoonBeam is a sophisticated AI writing assistant designed to make your writing journey smoother and more efficient. It takes your writing process to the moon and back. It's packed with features that set it apart from other writing tools. But wait, right below you see a link that lets you try out MoonBeam AI for free. Sounds great, right? First up, we have the wizard feature. MoonBeam can transform your disorganized notes into a well-structured outline and then into perfectly written paragraphs. It's like having Harry Potter's wand by your side.
You're a wizard, Harry.
But that's not all. MoonBeam introduces Smart Chat, powered by revolutionary GPT-4. This feature allows you to interact with your content in real time, get feedback, and make on-the-fly modifications, enhancing your editing experience. Need inspiration? MoonBeam's content cluster generation feature has you covered. With a simple prompt or keyword, it generates comprehensive content clusters, providing you with 10+ content ideas in seconds.
Like a melody in my head that I can't keep out, got me singing like.
MoonBeam offers advanced text editing capabilities, allowing you to refine your text, paraphrase concisely, and improve your writing with ease. Enhance your content with MoonBeam's rich media integration feature. You can easily embed links, images, or upload your visuals to make your writing more engaging. Want to share your work? MoonBeam lets you share your drafts publicly, reaching a wider audience and getting valuable feedback.
Yes! That's awesome!
And if you need a spark of creativity, MoonBeam's one-click content generation feature provides a range of content ideas with just a single click. To keep your creative process organized, MoonBeam offers an organized workflow with neatly organized folders, ensuring a clutter-free and efficient experience. Let's go to a quick tutorial on getting started with MoonBeam AI, your partner in writing excellence. First, use the link below to access the website. Next, click on the Sign Up or Get Started button. Now, fill out the sign up form with your details, including your name, email address, and create a strong password. Don't forget to check the box to agree to MoonBeam's terms and conditions. Once everything is filled out, click Sign Up to create your account. Check your email inbox for a confirmation email from MoonBeam AI. Click on the confirmation link in the email to verify your account. After verifying, you'll be redirected to the MoonBeam's AI dashboard. Take a moment to get to know the dashboard layout. You'll see various features and options designed to streamline your writing process. Let's create your first document. Click on the New Document or Create New button, which is typically located prominently on the dashboard. You'll be taken to the document editor where you can start crafting your content. And there you have it. You have successfully signed up for MoonBeam AI and you are ready to start your writing journey with its powerful features.
Get your numbers up. I had to get my numbers up.
Now let's talk about pricing. Pro plan, which is $49 per month, includes unlimited long-form writing, access to AI writing tools, Boss Mode, MoonBeam Chat, Ask Luna, the MoonBeam Wizard, and custom style generator, and it's perfect for a single user. The theme plan, which is $99 per month, includes everything in the Pro plan along with integration with your tools, collaborative real-time editing, support for multiple users, and priority support. So there you have it, folks. MoonBeam is more than just a writing tool. It's your partner in writing. With its advanced features and user-friendly interface, it's set to transform the way you create content. Whether you're a writer, blogger, or student, MoonBeam has something great to offer. So put on your astronaut suit and experience the creative potential of MoonBeam AI by using our link below for a free trial. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more exciting tech updates. I'll see you in the next video. Happy writing with MoonBeam!